A very good afternoon to one and all. In this video, we are going to discuss about what has been your greatest learning so far. This is an important question which recruiter asks just to ensure that you are somebody who is passionate about learning something new every day. Let them know about a series of learnings that you have undergone recently and how did these learnings help you to transform from a self-manager to a team manager. When we start our career, I'm sure most of us would have dealt managing machines. We were managing ourselves. It was easier because you know your positives, you know your negatives. But when you grow as a leader, you are expected to manage people and people have emotions. So you have to be a very good team manager. You should know their positives, negatives. You should be a good counselor. You should be a great motivator. So how do you do about it? Doing things or getting things done. These are two different things. We start our careers by doing things ourselves and we grow in our careers and help others getting things done for us. So this transformation is something you need to talk about it. Let them know about any kind of innovation or some kind of creativity you brought up to the table and how you invested your time to grow as a leader utilizing these skills. Use quotations like it's okay if you don't win, but not okay if you don't give up, or if you give up, or if you don't try. So don't quit from doing something, but keep on trying till the time you succeed. So this is a kind of a message you as a team leader is expected to drive to your subordinates and grow as a team leader. So this is something you can say as one of my greatest learnings. I'll let you know a short story. It was a bright sunny morning and I was walking near the seashore. I see one small boy collecting some starfish and throwing them back into the sea waters. So basically the waves were bringing these starfish onto the shores. And this person is collecting some starfishes and throwing them back into the sea. I asked him, what are you doing? He said, these starfish will die because of the extreme heat of the sun and hence I'm trying to throw them back into the sea and help them live a better life or longer life. I said, don't you think that sounds funny? Because how many can you save and how long will you keep doing this? He replied one thing. He just pulled up a starfish, picked up a starfish and threw it into the waters and told me I made a difference in the life of a starfish. That day I learned it from him, that even if you can make a difference in the life of one person, that is an achievement. It's not about how many we save. Even if we make a difference in one person's life, that person will consider us like a god. And that is what is my greatest learning. So you can also think about something that you have learned and you can narrate it to the recruiters in your interviews. I hope you enjoyed my story. Have a nice day. It was nice talking to you.